In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a Misfire monitor profile correction on a 2018 Ford Fusion using the X431 Pro 3. First select Local Diagnose. Select Ford. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select Automatically Search. Set the ignition switch to on and select OK. Select Model Year 2018. Confirm the vehicle and select Yes. Select System Selection. Select Powertrain Control Module. Select Special Function. Select Misfire Monitor Neutral Position Correction. A screen will appear. Select OK to continue. Screens will appear. Observe the following work sequences and select OK to continue. Once complete, select OK. And that's how to perform a Misfire monitor profile correction on a 2018 Ford Edge.